Goodman Error Code H3 indicates that your air conditioner's compressor has overheated and triggered a thermal protection mechanism. This is a safety feature designed to prevent permanent damage to the compressor, which is the heart of your AC system. The compressor is responsible for circulating refrigerant, and when it overheats, the system shuts down to prevent a potential burnout. Common causes of H3 errors include dirty condenser coils restricting airflow, low refrigerant levels often due to leaks, electrical faults like faulty capacitors or voltage fluctuations, and excessively high ambient temperatures. In newer models, advanced diagnostics and IoT-enabled control boards may provide early warnings of potential H3 errors, allowing for preemptive fixes. Regular maintenance is key to preventing this issue. Start by power cycling your AC unit, turn it off, wait 5 to 10 minutes, and then restart. If the H3 error persists, you'll need to investigate further. Begin by inspecting and cleaning the condenser coils to ensure proper airflow. Check refrigerant levels using appropriate gauges. Low refrigerant often indicates a leak, requiring professional attention. Verify electrical connections and capacitors. For DIY users, Goodman recommends professional servicing beyond basic checks to avoid voiding warranties. Modern Goodman units may offer remote troubleshooting via mobile apps. The long-term trend involves AI-driven analytics to predict H3 errors and self-repair capabilities. Expert opinions emphasize that H3 is often a symptom of broader system neglect, highlighting the importance of regular maintenance and professional checkups.